Hello and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me. Glad you had a few moments to just stop by. I needed a little time to myself today, so here I am to Art Journal. Let me get started. So, I had to think of some stuff today that I needed to do, and one of the things that always comes to me and has been my thing all year that I told you all about was self-care. Self-care is so very important now because there's so much going on in the world that everybody needs to take a little time for themselves. Whatever it is that makes you rest and just kind of channel yourself down a little bit, do that. Plan some time for yourself each week to sit down and do something that makes you rest and gives you a little bit of downtime where you're not worrying about what am I going to cook for dinner, where you're not worried about the clothes, the laundry, the cleaning, the children, or whatever it is in your life. And if you live alone, not doing everything that you have to do. Channel it down a little bit. Get yourself to the point where you say, okay, I don't have to do everything. I can just rest a little bit. And in order to rest a little bit, I am just going to take my time. I'm going to find something I got to do. Or maybe you were going to binge a show and you decided not to do that because you were going to get some of the laundry done. Don't worry about that laundry. What? You said you got to you're going to cook dinner tonight? Don't feel like it? Use some of your funds and go out and order something in. Just sit back. Take care of yourself. It's all about you. There has to be a day, a time that's all about you. It's not about anybody else. And at this moment, during this time, you don't want it to be about anybody else. You want it to just be about you. Just you and what you want to do. Do that for yourself. Think about that for yourself. Just do it. Just do it. And you'll find out that during the most times in your day and in your times, you'll find out that little break that you took for yourself, that small little break that you took for yourselves has proven to be just what was needed, just what you needed. That's what it's going to be. It's just what you needed. And when I art journal here, that's what it does for me. That's my time to go, okay, sit down and play with your supplies. I got enough of them. And don't forget, shop your own supplies that you need to use. We all have our oxides. I'm using Vintage Photo and Stormy Sky. I'm using a Tim Holtz stencil. And I'm using some of my cutouts from one of my books that I've had a while. Get your stuff out and start journaling. Get your stuff out and start journaling. Start taking care of yourself. Get stuff done. That's all about you. All about you. There she is. It's all about her today. It's all about what she wants to do today. It's nothing about anybody else. She got a nice cup of coffee. She has a pile of cozy blankets. She has herself some books. You know, I couldn't do anything without, if I didn't have my books, oh my goodness. That's my thing too. As I told you, I love to read. I'm reading this really nice vampire series that I've been reading for a while. I'm finally catching up on some of them. So that's what I've been up to. and trying to get stuff done that has no meaning to anything. Nothing. And some days, I don't even feel like doing nothing, so I don't. So, oh wait, I think I want this here. I want that there. Take care of yourself. That's what we need to say to ourselves. Take care of ourselves. And you know what? You know what the big thing is? Self-care is not selfish. And that, my friends, is our spread for this week. Tell me what you think. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you all in the next video. Take care of yourselves. Self-care is not selfish. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, see, I'm getting tongue-tied. If you haven't subscribed already, press that subscribe button and come back and see what I do next. Thank you for joining me. Bye now.